In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select Google. And as you can see, we are logged in with Google account. So let's go to Accounts and Sync, pick Google, and if you'd like to remove it, just mark More and select Remove Account. Then confirm it by tapping on Remove Account, click on OK, provide your fingerprint or pattern, and that's it, it has been done. As you can see, it's no longer connected with your device. So then just add your account the same way, open Accounts, pick Add Account, and select Google. Then provide your email address, click on Next, and now it's time to provide the password. So let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just click on Next. And then you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Pay Terms of Service, also the privacy policy. And if you do agree with all of the above, just tap on I agree. Tap on Accept then, and that's it. Your Google account has been added, and here it is. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.